Today, we're exploring the zoom blur effect, a fantastic tool to add dynamic energy and focus to your edits. Whether you're crafting dramatic transitions or emphasizing key moments, this effect is a game changer. Let's dive in. First, drag your footage into the timeline, head over to the effects panel, search for zoom blur, and drop it onto your clip. Instantly, the effect is applied, but we'll take it further with some customization. Select your clip and open the inspector panel. Navigate to the Open Effects settings, where you'll find all the controls for the zoom blur. Adjust the blur strength to amplify or reduce the effect. Cranking it up creates a powerful, dramatic look, while a lower value keeps things subtle. And here's a pro tip: experiment with the center exclusion slider. This setting allows you to exclude a portion of the frame from the blur effect, keeping that area sharp while the rest stays dynamically blurred. It's ideal for creating a spotlight effect or isolating your subject in the shot. Now, take a look at the center position setting. This controls the focus point of the blur, letting you guide the viewer's attention. Shift it around to target specific areas of your frame, perfect for directing the eye to key action or details. And that's a wrap. The zoom blur effect is a versatile tool to bring motion and intensity to your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative DaVinci Resolve tips.